Welcome to the video tutorial on how to install NotePager Pro version 5. In this tutorial, we'll be going over the installation steps for Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, Server 2008, Server 2012, and Server 2016. To start, open a web browser and go to our website, www.notepage.net. Once there, you should see the NotePager Pro section in the middle of the page. Just under the graphic, we have the More Info, Download, and Buy Now options. Click on the Download option, then save the file somewhere convenient. Now that we have the installation file downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by the UAC, allow the process to continue. Click Next on the first step. On the second step, select whether you want to review the README and release notes, then click Next. Please read the End-User License Agreement, then select I accept the agreement, and click Next. In this step, you can specify the program's installation directory. By default, NotePager Pro will install to C:\program files x86, NotePage, NotePager Pro, but this can be modified. After specifying the installation directory, click Next. Specify the Start menu group name for NotePager Pro, then click Next. Select whether you want a desktop icon created, then click Next. Click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. This concludes the video tutorial on how to install NotePager Pro. For more information, including how to configure NotePager Pro to send SMS, pages, and email, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.